If you're dealing with back pain or just trying to keep your spine strong and supported long term, one of my favorite nutrition staples are salads. They're not just light side dishes, and you're going to see how to do them right so you can strengthen your body and spine, plus make it an easy process to stick to. So let's step into my kitchen and talk about how to make this work for you. I'm Dr. Ryan Wolfert, and welcome to my kitchen. This is where the salad magic happens. And I'm actually going to start off with my favorite tip, my favorite strategy to make this salad habit or any really healthy nutrition habit actually stick. It's this, it's to prepare, it's to prep in advance. Because if you wait to make your salad at a time when you're busy, whether it's at lunchtime, whether it's getting home from work, it's not going to make it as easy as possible. So you'll see that I've already made our salads for lunch. And I do this the night before because I know I'm busy in the morning and I might not have time to do it for lunch. So it's an easy thing to do because salads, all the ingredients can be kept in the fridge. So why not just create it in advance? You got just finding the right bowl for you. See, mine, bigger salad, my wife's a little bit smaller. I wanted to share that with you first because this is possible for you, and it's possible, for your family to make healthy nutrition, healthy eating possible. And if you actually want a simple nutrition guide, go ahead and just type in SWAP, SWAP, in the comments, and I'll send you my healthy swap guide, my nutrition made simple guide. But now let's get into the salad. So the first thing, with salads, what do? You need your greens, right? I'm just going to take the tops off these so maybe you can see inside of them. But the greens, that's the base, that's the bottom. And a lot of people like using spinach or been told use spinach. Kale is in a lot of different recipes. Those are great, but they're high in oxalates. And what oxalates can do is it can exacerbate your pain, predispose you to pain because it binds to different minerals like calcium. So that might create a problem, maybe create a little inflammation. Spinach and kale are actually best eaten after you've maybe sauteed them for a minute or two, broken down the structure of it so it's easier for you to absorb. No, my favorite is actually arugula. Arugula is an amazing green. It's actually in the cruciferous family, but it's lower in oxalate. Another good option is romaine lettuce. And it's summertime now, so we're actually growing different lettuces in greens in our garden. And so I actually ran out. So you'll see that I saved this from the store. And this is easy. If you don't have a garden, that's why this is also easy. You can get these nice big tubs of different various greens in there that are organic at a really good price. Now, next, another great ingredient is cucumbers. Again, we're growing those in our garden. Cucumbers are a great option to give that nice crunch. And they're also 95% water. So it actually increases and helps the hydration of the discs of the bones. And that's great for back pain relief. Now, I also put bell peppers, which are different colors: yellow, red, green, orange. Get the array because they offer a lot of different antioxidants, which decreases inflammation. And what also with peppers is it increases collagen production because it has more vitamin C. It's a good source of vitamin C, which I don't know if you can see it in there, but I have yellow peppers and some green peppers in our salads today because that's what we had. And so now because of that, I like to get another color, which is red. If I don't have the red peppers in there, again, tomatoes is another great ingredient to put into your salads. If you like tomatoes, when I was a kid, I didn't like tomatoes. Now I do. So you see how taste can change. I hear from people, I can't eat that. And when I talk about the protein source, I thought that too, but hold on for a second. And I'll mention this now. Make sure with all these ingredients are organic. for my salad, for hopefully your salad. You know, if we're putting ingredients that are doused with herbicides, pesticides, and that can hurt our brain and body and our spine, then our body's not going to heal. It's not going to get over the stress that's been put on it by those chemicals. All right, what's next? What else I got in here? Healthy fat. So nuts, seeds, those are great ones. Adds different types, different flavors. Like in ours, I have pumpkin seeds I put in there. Also, in the homemade dressing, which I'll also link to that video that I did so you can get that recipe. So olive oil is the base for the dressing that I make. So olive oil, healthy fats, that's great for cellular structure, that's great for the bones, the discs, the nerves. So another great healthy fat is avocados. So good healthy fats. Now, the protein source that I like to use, which also has healthy fats, are, I got two different types here. Sardines, yes, I told you. You might say, oh, no, I can't have sardines. And my wife feels the same way. My kids feel the same way. I've learned that I love sardines. That's my favorite protein source to put into my salad. So again, I wait till the day of, right before I eat it, to put that in there. Now you see in my wife's salad, I have some just grilled chicken that we made last night. So grilled chicken, cut it up and put it in hers. That's good cold. But I go back to the sardines. These are my two favorite sources. These are brands, Wild Planet and then The Season. Again, I got at Costco, but I can link to that in the description as well. I'll link to the pumpkin seeds, anything else that I have in here that will be easy for you to get, and either online or at the store. But this is a staple. I have salad probably three, like for lunch, my wife and I, 2 to 3 times a week. Usually I'll put sardines on mine, but if we have leftover steak, grass-fed steak, if we have something that we made the night before, it is a protein source, I'll put that on the salads. Definitely create that salad habit, prep for it, make them the day before so then they're ready to go. Find a good greens like arugula, different vegetables. You can even put different fruits on there. You put like little orange mandarin, little small oranges to get different tastes. Make it exciting for you. Make it easy for you to do. And like I said, I'll link to my salad dressing recipe in the description, as well as these other products to make it as easy as possible. All right, till next time, make sure you like, subscribe, share this with a friend. And as always, be your own guarantee for your health and your life. See you next time.